INFINITY ACI. What do we have today? Seed starter. And waiting for this thing so I can do some clones. So bear with me. AC INFINITY always got good packaging. So there's nothing to worry about there. Let's put this on the floor. What is this? Oh, heating mat probably. Let's see. I can use this bag. This bag is pretty cool. Here we go. Doing it one-handed, fellas. Oh yeah. Sorry. So I always wanted to see what this said, because I couldn't read it online. It's just the temperature ranges. I think we're gonna follow tomatoes. Obviously, I know how to use a heating mat. My girl's had her period. This is what we're gonna use. Let's put this off to the side. Like I said, the packaging is always A1. Always top of the line. See if I can get this thing out one-handed. I got it. Yeah. I was wondering the size of this thing when I ordered it. I think it came with the ion lights too, right? I believe. Nice little booklet. Love the new symbol. Logo, excuse me. So you guys gonna correct me. I think these are their sides. Pretty sturdy. Some hardware. Put this up here. Seems like it's pretty well made. Okay. There she goes. Ion lights. No, somewhere in here. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. Got a bunch of these and these. If anybody needed any, leave it in the comment. I'll send these out. I got a bunch of these lying around. Like I said, it's pretty sturdy. You guys stay tuned. I'll definitely be posting videos of me cutting, of my cuttings. Trying to clone. Make sure these fit. Oh, they do fit. They pop right in. It's pretty nice. Okay, I'm just curious. But I did want to see something else. I wanted to see if these root things fit inside my cube. Tell me what you guys think about these. I've never used these before. Never used any type of plugs before. Just want to see how they fit inside AC Infinity. Okay. Trays. Oh, it's not bad. I don't know. You guys tell me. Is that a little too deep? Or is that fine? Be using them. We'll see. Alright, I'm gonna put this thing together. Show you guys what it looks like when that's done. All done. Let's see how she fits in the propagation tank. Slid off. Okay. Let's see how she fits in here. See if I gotta raise the new propagation tent. Let's see, fellas. Ooh, a light flash. Didn't even realize that. I'm loving it. Put some clones up in here now. Nice little starter temp. Black Friday. All this was brought on Black Friday. Thank you, Black Friday sale. Beautiful there. I like it. All right, got every light fixed up there. All done. Also, took some clones. First time ever taking clones. I don't know, we'll see, come back in a couple days. See how they look. I have Girl Scout cookies, biscotto, jelly donuts, excuse me. And I think it's blubber cookies from Ethos. So I got Barney Farms, this is Girl Scout cookies. Which one? Ethos is the blubber cookies. And donuts is Humboldt. And I think it's Biscotto's, Barney's too, I believe. Tell me what you guys think. Propagation tent, all done. Set up completely. Couple tester auto. I'm testing the auto in there. I'm gonna see if I can transplant it through that. And then I'm just trying to see how long I can keep planting veggie here. Just testing those out. Not planning on doing anything with those genetics. Probably not gonna do anything with these genetics either. I'm just seeing if I can clone. That's gonna wrap it up for the day though, fellas. You know, ACI junkie. Love these guys. Oh.